I'm gonna be making corn dogs today. It's everybody's favorite fair food, and I thought, why not make it with venison? So I have some venison links, and I just put a stick right into it. I did go ahead and cook my venison. I've got some cornmeal, a little bit of buttermilk, and 2 eggs. This is gonna make our batter. I put a little bit of cayenne pepper in my self-rising cornmeal. If you don't have self-rising cornmeal, put a little bit of baking soda and a little bit of baking powder and a little bit of salt into your cornmeal, and it'll do the same thing. Now I'm gonna mix these ingredients together, and it's gonna make a very light and airy cornmeal batter. I have heated my oil in my Weston fryer, which is the best. You can use a Dutch oven if you like. Just get the temperature to 350 degrees. I've got my links on the stick, and I'm just gonna roll it into flour. This is just all-purpose flour. I am gonna put this batter into a long mason jar. This is gonna really help me to get the batter all over it in a really easy way. Okay, and I'm just gonna put it straight in and put it right down into the oil. Okay, I've got it at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the others. So when they start floating to the top and they're nice and crispy, pull it on out, and I'm putting it on a cookie rack or a cooling rack over a sheet pan, and it keeps the air circulating around it, and it'll stay nice and crunchy. You can also put these in a 200-degree oven and keep them warm while you're making all of the rest of them. If you want to make these this year, just tell your processor to make you some venison sausage links or just some venison sausage, and you can mold it yourself around the sticks and cook it. Also, High Mountain seasoning makes a great sausage mix, so you can just make it yourself. It's awesome. I don't have to wait until the Montgomery County Fair comes. I can make these beauties right in my own house.